Priyanka from Krishnaswamy College for Women. In today's class, we are going to discuss about two tree traversal techniques. One is breadth first search and the other is depth first search. First, let us discuss about breadth first search. The main goal of breadth first search is all vertices must be visited and explored. Let us consider this simple graph as an example. First, let us start from vertex 1. Visiting the vertex means just reaching the vertex. First, we will start from vertex 1. Now, 1 is visited, but this vertex 1 is not yet explored. Vertex 1 is said to be explored only when all its adjacent vertices are visited. Now, what are the adjacent vertices for vertex 1? There are 3 vertices, 2, 3 and 4. All these 3 vertices are adjacent to vertex 1. Only after visiting all these vertices, vertex 1 becomes explored. So, first I will start visiting these vertices. First I will go to vertex 2. Now I have reached vertex 2. Vertex 2 becomes visited. Then I will go to vertex 3. Vertex 3 becomes visited. Then I will go to vertex 4. Vertex 4 becomes visited. Now all the adjacent vertices for vertex 1 are visited. Now vertex 1 has been explored. The first vertex has been visited and also explored. Now I will go to vertex 2. Vertex 2 has already been visited. Now I have to explore vertex 2. Vertex 2 has 2 adjacent vertices, vertex 5 and vertex 6. Now I will go to vertex 5. Vertex 5 has been visited. Then to vertex 6, vertex 6 becomes visited. Now adjacent vertices for 2 has been visited automatically. Now vertex 2 has been explored. Vertex 3 has one adjacent vertex, which is vertex 6. It has already been visited. Now vertex 3 is also explored. Now I will go to vertex 4. Vertex 4 has 2 adjacent vertices, which is 7 and 8. Now I will start visiting vertex 7. Then I will go to vertex 8. Now adjacent vertices for vertex 4 has been visited. Now 4 is explored. Since 5, 6, 7, 8 has no adjacent vertices, these vertices are explored. Now that's all about breadth first search. Let us look at the order of the vertices that has been visited. First is vertex 1, then 2, then 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Now depth first search. The goal of depth first search is same as breadth first search. All vertices must be visited and explored. Let us consider the same graph. First let us start from vertex 1. Vertex 1 will be visited. In breadth first search, after visiting we have to explore. But here the exploration of a currently exploring vertex should be suspended if a new vertex is visited. Here we will start exploring vertex 1. So the adjacent vertices to vertex 1 are 2, 3, 4. Now we will start from 2. Now vertex 2 is visited. Now we have to suspend the exploration of vertex 1 and we should start exploring vertex 2. That is the difference between the breadth first search and depth first search. Now 2 has been visited. The adjacent vertices for 2 are 5 and 6. We have to visit 5 and 6. So from 2 I'll go to 5. Now 5 has been visited. Since 5 has no adjacent vertices, 5 has been explored. Then you should go to 6. 6 has been visited. 6 also has no adjacent vertices, so 6 is explored. Now the adjacent vertices for 2 has been visited, so 2 is explored. Now 2 has completed its exploration. Now we will resume the exploration of vertex 1. So from 1 you will go to 3. Now again a new vertex has been visited. You will suspend the exploration of vertex 1 and you will start exploring vertex 3. So the adjacent vertex for vertex 3 is 6. 6 has already been visited. Now 3 is explored. Now you will go and resume the exploration of vertex 1. Vertex 4 will be visited. Now you will suspend the exploration of vertex 1 and you will start exploring vertex 4. Vertex 4 has 2 adjacent vertices, which is vertex 7 and vertex 8. Now start visiting vertex 7. 7 has no adjacent vertices, so 7 has been explored. Then you will go to 8. 8 is visited. 8 is also explored. Since all the adjacent vertices of 4 are visited, 4 is explored. Now you will go and resume the exploration of vertex 1. So 2, 3, 4. All the adjacent vertices are visited and explored. So 1 is explored. So this is how depth first search works. Look at the order in which the vertices are visited. First you have started with 1, then 2, then 5, 6, 3, 4, 7 and 8. So that's all about breadth first search and depth first search. Thank you.